भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं मधुसूदनं मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्षं मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज माधव माधव वाची माधव माधव हरि स्मरन्ति साधव नित्यम् सकलकार्येषु माधव शिलीझरित मृदङ्गपटः हेरीश शङ्खध्वनि वीणाडम्बरु मृदङ्गमहुरि घण्टारवो घर घर तम्बूरकृतकरताळि काहाळि ताळध्वज एते वाद्य सुघोषसहितं पूर्वं तु ते मङ्गलम्
Namaskar. A very warm welcome to all on the second day of the cultural extravaganza Arunodaya. Arunodaya is the annual cultural festival organized by our premier institute Soch, School of Creative Hands. Soch is a registered institute formed to teach and nurture different art forms to every age group. The aim of Soch is to provide equal opportunities to learn various creative art forms for everyone, including the differently abled. Yesterday, we saw some absolutely mesmerizing performances on the Veena by the Veena maestros Srimati Jayashree Jayaraj Krishnan and Shri J.T. Jayaraj Krishnan. Captivating Chhau dance by Shri Rakesh Sai Babu and the graceful Odissi dance from the extremely talented student of Soch, Mridula Naik. Today is going to be equally spectacular with some really wonderful performances lined up for all of you. We would be watching this evening a Bharatnatyam performance, an Odissi solo performance, and two group performances from the students of Soch. The first performance of the evening is a group dance performance from the students of Soch, Kali Mangalacharan. Mangalacharan is an invocatory dance piece offering prayers to our gods and goddesses. Kali is the consort of Mahakal, a furious form of Adi Shakti, that is Goddess Durga. The four-armed Devi carries a sword, a trishul, a severed head, and a kapal, a skull cap, to catch the blood of the severed head. The fourth hand is in Abhay or Varada Mudra, assuring her devotees that they would be saved and protected always. Her eyes are red in absolute rage. Her hair is disheveled, small fang-like teeth protrude out of her mouth, and her tongue is lolling. She is the most powerful form of Shakti and a divine protector. She is the goddess of time, creation, destruction, and power. Kali Mangalacharan being performed today is based on Rag Malkauns and Tal Ek Tali and Triputa. Come, let's watch Kali Mangalacharan.
दशवक्त्रा दशभुजा दशपादा जना प्रभा विशालया राजमाना त्रिशलोचन मालया स्फुरत् दशनदंष्ट्राव्यं भीमरूपा छाया करी सौभाग्यकान्तिना प्रतिष्ठा श्रया खड्गबाण गदाशूल अग्रसङ्गभूषन्देहो परिह कामुकशीशं निश्चितारुधिरादाद मधुकैट भयारुधै देयसातमासि
धान धान धात गति गण धान धान धात गति गण धान धान धात गति जय तु काली धगिड़ा गिड़ी तक रूप कराली झमक झम झम धाति खंड ताति कर धरि चंड मुंड हल हल हरुवीर तुंड धगिड़ा गिड़ी तक नच प्रचंड मा कराली तव कोराल रसन सूसु वसुलीय लोल रसन दिवस दसने सूट दसन महामता महाकाल पदिति विपरि तर तिर नृत्य रस धगिड़ा गिड़ी तक धगिड़ा देण तक झमता झम झम झमता देण तक तकिटा तक तक ता तमा तकिटा तक तक तकिटा तक तक तकिटा तक तक तकिटा तक तक धान धान धात गति गण धान धान धात गति धान धान धात गति गण थे कीर्तागति 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 धान धान धा धागति गण धान धान धा धागति गण धान धान धा धागति गण धा.
It gives us extreme pleasure to welcome our guest artist for today, the very talented Shri Pritam Das. Shri Pritam Das started learning Bharatanatyam when he was just 4 years old under the tutelage of Srimati Jayita Ghosh and Shri Samrat Datta. At present, Shri Pritam Das is learning under the guidance of Nritya Chudamani Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan. He has also learnt Natya Shastra under the sublime shadow of the maestro Kalamandalam P.R. He has completed the master's degree in accounts and finance from University of Calcutta and a second master's degree in Bharatnatyam from the Ravindra Bharati University, Calcutta. He is also learning Carnatic vocal from Guru Guha Gana Vidyalaya, Calcutta. Pritam is Nritya Visharad, a gold medalist, degree holder with distinction in Bharatnatyam from both Prachin Kala Kendra, Chandigarh and SSO SV. He was awarded the Senior National Scholarship in the field of Bharatnatyam from Ministry of Culture, Government of India. He is a B-grade artist with Prasar Bharati and an empaneled artist with SPICMACE. He has been the recipient of many awards and accolades. He has also performed and been appreciated in many renowned festivals in India and abroad. It is indeed our pleasure that he is performing at Arunodaya today. Over to Shri Pritam Das for Bharatnatyam.
Namaskaram. I am very happy to be a part of Arunodaya 2020, an online classical dance festival organized by School of Creative Hands, directed by Shri Rahul Varshney. I am thankful to Rahulji and to all the members of School of Creative Hands for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I would like to congratulate them for curating this festival in this tough time. Rahulji is an excellent and an amazing Odissi dancer. He really inspires me a lot with his words and dance. Myself, Pritam Das, a Bharatanatyam dancer, I have started learning Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Srimati Joyita Ghosh and Shri Shamrat Dotto. Currently, I am learning under the guidance of Guru Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan. Today, I will be presenting a kriti in praise of Goddess Shakti. She blesses us and gives us with abundance. She holds lotus, veena and many such weapons in her mighty arms. She rides atop of a lion and destroys evils within and without. On praying to her through Bij Mantra, one attains liberation and eternal bliss. An ode to the beauty that is woman, a yearning for that feminine power within each one of us. Namaste Rudra Rupini, Namaste Madhumardini, Devi Stuti in Ragamalika Aditalam. Music has been composed by Shri G.S. Rajan. Dance choreography by my Guru Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan. On the Nattuangam, late Vidwan Shri Karaikudi Shivakumar Sir. On the vocal, Shri K. Venkateshwaran. On the Mridangam, Shri Sumod Sridharan. On the violin, Shri Viju S. Anand. And on the flute, Shri Rajat Prasanna. Today, I will be dancing in this beautiful space of Dhruva Institute of Dance. I hope you will enjoy my performance. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिणी नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिणी सप्तशती देव्या मंत्रसेदं कुरुष्व मे Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundai Viche. Om Glam Hum Klim Jusadap. Jwalaya Jwalaya Jwala Jwala Prajwala Prajwala Jwala Jwala. Aim Hrim Klim Chamundai Viche. Hum Sam Lam Sham Padasa.
Our next presentation is a solo Odissi dance performance from one of our own students of Soch, Shrestha Panda. Shrestha Panda is a promising Odissi dancer training under the guidance of Shri Rahul Varshne and Srimati Sonali Mahapatra. She has been learning Odissi for more than 10 years now. Shrestha has participated in various dance festivals and shows like the Odissi International Dance Festival, Deva Prasad Das Festival, Paripurna, and many more. She is a recipient of the Junior Scholarship by the Center for Cultural Research and Training CCRT in the field of Odissi dance, given by the Ministry of Culture in the year 2015-2016. Today Shrestha will be performing an Abhinay piece, Chandana Charchita. Chandana Charchita is an Ashtapadi from Geet Govind written by Sri Jaydev. It is said to be an one-on-one conversation between Radha and her friend. Radha's friend is describing to her how Sri Krishna is enjoying his time with the gopis in Vrindavan. She describes the beauty of Lord Krishna and the love between Krishna and the gopis. Sri Krishna's blue body is smeared with sandalwood paste all over. His yellow silk robe and dangling earrings are complementing his beauty. Each stanza describes the joyful, love-filled interactions of Krishna and the gopis. Krishna is dancing, playing his flute, and the gopis are totally immersed in their love for him. Let us also experience this divine love through Shrestha's dance. Over to Shrestha Panda.
বিলাসিনী বিলাসতি বিলাসিনী বিলাসতি বিলাসিনী কেলি পরে চন্দন চর্চিত নীল কলেবর পীতবসন বনমালী পীন পয়োধর ভার ভরে পীন পয়োধর ভার ভরে হরি পরিরাভ্য সরাগ গোপবধূরানু গায়ন্তি কাচি গোপবধূরানু গায়ন্তি কাচি উদঞ্চিত পঞ্চম রাগ চন্দন চর্চিত নীল কলেবর পীতবসন বনমালী করতল তাল তরল বলয়া বলি করতল তাল তরল বলয়া বলি কলিত কলা সোনবংশে রাস রসে সহ নৃত্য পরা
ನಾಗಿರ ಗಿಡಿತಕ ತರಿಗಿಟ ಗಿಡಿತಕ ಗದಿ ಘನಧ ಗಿಟ ತಜೆ ಝೇಣುತ್ತಾ ಝೇ ಕೀಣ ಝೇಣುತ್ತಾ ಝೇ ಗಿಡಿತಕ ಝೇಣ ಕುಕುಂದಾರಿ ಕೀಣ ಝೇಣುತ್ತಾ ಝೇಣ ತಾಜೇಣ ತಾಜೇಮಿ ತಾಕಿಟ ತಾಕಿಟ ಗದಿ ಗನಧ ತಾಜೇಣ ತಾಜೇಮಿ ತಾಕಿಟ ತಾಕಿಟ ಗದಿ ಗನಧ ತಾಜೇಣ ತಾಜೇಮಿ ತಾಕಿಟ ತಾಕಿಟ ಗದಿ ಗನಧ
রাস রসে সহ নৃত্য পরা হরিরায়ুবতী প্রশংসে চন্দন চর্চিত নীল কলেবর পীতবসন বনমালী চন্দন চর্চিত নীল কলেবর পীতবসন বনমালী শ্রী জয়দেব হরিত মিদং অদ্ভুত শ্রী জয়দেব হরিত মিদং অদ্ভুত কেশব কেলি রহস্য বৃন্দাবন বিপিনে ললিত বৃন্দাবন বিপিনে ললিত বিতনোতু শুভানি यशस्य चन्दन चर्चित नीलकलेवर पीतवसन वसना वनमाली।
Our last performance for today is Moksh, a group performance by the students of Soch. Moksh means salvation, freedom from the cyclical bondation of life and death, and the blissful union of our soul with God. Paralleling this concept, Moksh, which is the final item of any Odissi repertoire, signifies the total surrender of the dancer to God. Moksh is a pure dance sequence and at a very fast pace. Recitation of rhythmic syllables and playing of the mardala for accompaniment makes it even more invigorating. At the end is an invocation to the goddess Shakti, praying for universal well-being and harmonious coexistence for all. Come, let's experience Moksh.
ಕಿಡಿತಾಗದಿಗನ ಧೈ ಕಿಡಿತಾಗದಿಗನ ಧೈ ಕಿಡಿತಾಗದಿಗನ ಧೈ ಧೈ ತಾಧಿನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಧೈ 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 ತಾಧಿನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಧೈ ಕಡತಕ ಧೈ ತಾ ಹಂ ಥೋ ಥಲಂಗ ಧೈ ಧಿನಾತ ತಧೈ 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 ಧಾಗೆ ಧಾಗೆ ಧಾತೀನ್ ಕಿಡತಕ ಧಾಗೆ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ಧಾಗೆ ಧಾತೀನ್ ಕಿಡತಕ ಧಾಗೆ ತಾತೀನ್ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ಧೈ ಕಿಡತಕ ಧೈ ತಾತೀನ್ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ಧೈ ಕಿಡತಕ ಧೈ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ ತಾತೀನ್ ಧಾಗೆ 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 ಧಾ ಧಾ ಧೀನಾಗಿರತಕ 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 ಧೇಗ ಧೇಂತಾ ದಿಗ ತಕ ತಕ ತಗ ದಿಗನ್ ತಕ ತಗ ದಿಗನ್ ತಕ ತಗ ದಿಗನ್ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತೀತಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತೀತಾ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತೀತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತೀತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ತಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ದಿ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ದಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ದಿ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ಗಿಡತಕ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ಗಿಡತಕ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ಧಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ತಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಿಂದಕ್ ಧಾ ತಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಿ ಧಾ ತಿ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ಗಿಡತಕ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ಧೇಣ ಗಿಡತಕ ತಾ ತಾ ಧೇಣ ಝಣಗ ಝಣಗ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನ ಝಣಗ ಝಣಗ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನ ಝಣಗ ಝಣಗ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನ ಝಣಗ ಝಣಗ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ತಿನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ್ ಝಣ ಝಣ ದೈ ದೈ ಝಣ ಝಣ ದೈ ದೈ ಝಣ ಝಣ ದೈ 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 ತದಿ ದಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ದೈ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಾ ತಿನ್ ತಿನ್ನ ದಿ ತಾ ತಿನ್ ತಿನ್ನ ದಿ ತಾ ತಿನ್ ತಿನ್ನ ದಿ ತಾ ತಿನ್ ತಿನ್ನ ದಿ ಧಾಗ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ತಾಗ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ಧಾಗ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ಧಾಗ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ತಾಗ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ಧಾಗ ತದಿ ತಕ ದಾ ದಿ ತಾಗ ತದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ಧಿನಾತ ತಧೈ 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 ತಕ್ ತಕ್ ತಧೇಣ ತಕ್ ತಕ್ ತಧೇಣ ತಕ್ ತಕ್ ತಧೇಣ ತಕ್ ತಕ್ ತಧೇಣ 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 ದಾ ದಾ ಧಿನಾಗಿರತಕ 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 ಧಾ ದಾದಾಗಿರತಕ ತಗದಿರತಕ ದಾದಾಗಿರತಕ ತಗದಿರತಕ ದಾದಾಗಿರತಕ ತಗದಿರತಕ ದಾದಾಗಿರತಕ ತಕ್ ಥಲಾಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದಿ ಘನಧಾ ತಕ್ ಥಲಾಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದಿ ಘನಧಾ ತಕ್ ಥಲಾಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದಿ ಘನಧಾ ಕಿರ್ತಾಗದಿ ಘನಧೈ ಕಿರ್ತಾಗದಿ ಘನಧೈ ಕಿರ್ತಾಗದಿ ಘನಧೈ
सर्वमङ्गलं माङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरणे अम्बिके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नमोस्तुते नमोस्तुते
With this, we come to the end of our 2-day event. I'm sure you all must have liked the experience. I really enjoyed presenting it to you all. I would now request Sri Rahul Varshney, founder and artistic director at Soch, to speak a few words and conclude the event. A big dhanyavad from me. And now it's over to Sri Rahul Varshney.
Namaste. With this, we have come to an end of our 2 days music and dance festival Arunodaya. I would like to thank our guest artist for the evening, Shri Pritam Das, who is also a good friend of mine. Watching Pritam dancing is always a delightful experience. I wish him more success in life. I would also like to thank and congratulate Shrestha Panda for giving this beautiful performance. At the end, special appreciation for the anchor of our program, Srimati Divyani Parmanand. Her work itself reflects her dedication and commitment towards Soch. We are really grateful to have her in our Soch family. Once again, thanks a lot, one and all involved directly or indirectly in this program, and for making this program a success. Thank you. Good night.